Okay, so we're going to revolve this rectangle around the x-axis. I'm going to try to show it to you with this GeoGebra situation. I'm not sure it's going to work well or not, but we'll see what we have. So we're going to start with the rectangle. We're going to revolve it right here over the x-axis, and we're going to revolve it 360 degrees. So you can see it's starting to move on the 3D axis over here. And when I get to 180, you can see that it's gone halfway, and you can hopefully see that once I am revolving it all the way, if I looked at it from the front, it would just look like double the rectangle, and it would be a big rectangle. Over here, whoa, if I try to move this, you can hopefully see it's actually a cylinder. So it's hard to see a little bit, but you get the 3D shape. And if I turned it up, again, there's just the rectangle. But when you move it, it's actually a cylinder. Okay? So that's the idea going on there. It's kind of cool.